because I am from the PCM background, like science background, and I am not from this humanities stream. So it was really difficult for me to pursue it. My name is Diksha Katre, and I'm the student of IS Gurukul. Today I'm going to share some of my experience and experience with the sir and how he has taught me. I think this is the one of the best coaching I have been pursued in. And when I was coming to this institute, I was really unaware about what I'm going to study and how will I complete my sociology optional. But after coming here, when I met sir, it really became very easy for me to compete this competition and to learn this subject very beautifully, because I am from the PCM background, like science background, and I am not from this humanities stream. So it was really difficult for me to pursue it. But with the help of sir, with the help of all the clearance of the doubt, how he taught us everything in the class, it's not just about the class thing or just about teaching, but he teaches us with like his own family, and even he clear all of our doubts, like he stay extra here just to clear our doubts. He come earlier and even stay extra just for clearing our all the doubts and for making it like uh, for pursuing this sociology and for gaining extra marks in the mains examination. So I'm really very lucky, and I'm really lucky that I have choose this coaching and Pranay Agrawal sir as my mentor. Thank you.
So what's the purpose to attend this class, especially in IS Gurukul and especially of Pranay Agrawal sir? So I want to share something very personal about myself. Actually, I'm a loser in the past in my life. So before coming to this class, I was like very disheartened, very underconfident, and nothing to share about my achievements at that time. But after coming to this class, in my first day, I have realized that my confidence got boost up, and my spirit goes back actually. Earlier I was like how to do sociology as my optional, as it is my last attempt. But just because of sir and only just because of him, now I'm like a bit sociologist and can understand the subject very well. And even I don't have any background in humanities subject. I'm from a medical background, so medical background. So just because of Pranay sir, I am here as a bit sociologist, because as I have not completed my syllabus yet, but still I'm very hopeful that this teaching will help me a lot in my future. So I will not insist you, or I will not particularly suggest you, but yes, definitely the one thing I want to advise you all is whether to know about sir's teaching, you should come at least once for demo classes. You will then come to know that how effective his teaching is in making a person as a human being actually. So thank you so much.
First of all, I would like to tell why I have joined this coaching, because I have heard a lot of names in the market, but as per my expectation, I needed a small batch and also a teacher which is very approachable. And as we all know that UPSC is not about the teacher, because every teacher is good, every teacher is equal, but it all depends upon your hard work and how you clear your doubt. So these were my expectations. So after all that research, I joined this institution, and I found this institution very helpful, because it's the sir is very much approachable. If I just came about any petty doubts, he entertained very enthusiastically, and as well as the method of teaching is very good. Like sir is very stick to the syllabus and finish the syllabus in a timely manner, and also the questions asked in a weekly is also checked is in the time. So I find that the best part of sir is he is very approachable, and the clearing the doubt is very important for the UPSC. I think this will be entertained in good way.